And getting in more breaking news update, a 5-member SIT has been constituted under an SP level officer to probe the matter of the Dharma Sansad hate speech case in Haridwar. Legal action will be taken against those found guilty. So an SP level officer will be leading the investigation. An SIT has been formed, a 5-member SIT that will be probing the Haridwar hate speech. The Uttarakhand police has also been adding a few names in the FIR that has been registered in connection with the 3-day Dharma Sansad that was held in Haridwar, where a series of hate speeches while targeting a certain section of the society were made, and the FIR was lodged on the complaint of a person under section 153A, which amounts to promoting enmity between different groups and acting prejudicial to harmony of the IPC. So yes, investigations will continue and a 5-member SIT will be probing the matter. Sumi is joining us with more details. Yes, Sumi, what more do we know?
Yes, absolutely. As you correctly pointed out, Christine, a 5-member SIT team has been formed in Uttarakhand's hate speech case. And in fact, another section under the IPC has also been added to the existing section 153A. And another section, section 294 of the Indian Penal Code has also been added to the FIR. And in fact, DIG Garhwal Karan Singh has been informing us about this development that has taken place in the Haridwar hate speech. Remember, the Dharma Sansad that took place for 3 days in Haridwar had seen the hate speeches and propaganda behind it, and in fact Yati Narsingha Rath, apart from Sindhu Sagar, Sindhu Sagar, their names have also been added to the existing FIR that has already been done against Wasim Rizvi, alias Jitendra Tyagi, and another Sadhvi. So apart from that, an SIT has also been formed, and in fact it will be headed by a superintendent of police level officer, and legal actions will be taken against who will be found guilty in the entire case. Remember, in this speech there was a very derogatory statement that was made against a certain community and the genocide of the population from that community, and that has spiked a lot of controversy in Haridwar. In fact, a similar Dharma Sansad had also taken place in the state of Chhattisgarh. Similar hate speeches were made there as well by the Sikhs. Action has again been taken in the state of Chhattisgarh as well, but in Haridwar case, in the Uttarakhand hate speech case, this is the latest development that's coming our way. That is the formation of the SIT that will look into the investigation, and certainly the investigation is moving forward very swiftly in this regard, which is why another section has also been added to the FIR.
Absolutely. Another section added to the FIR, investigations to follow. Sumi, how many people so far in total have been named in the FIR? Because we've seen how massive protests have also been taking place outside the Uttarakhand police headquarters. They've been demanding that strictest action be taken against some of those accused. So how many people are we looking at as of now?
Yes, absolutely. 5 people have been booked in the case apart from Yati Narsingha Rath and Sindhu Sagar. Apart from that, Wasim Rizvi was already his name was already part of the FIR, and Wasim Rizvi's alias Jitendra Tyagi along with another Sadhvi Anupama, their names were already existing in the FIR, and apart from that, Yati Narsingha Rath and Sindhu Sagar are the 2 names. Their names have already been added, and Yati Narsingha Rath was the convener of this Dharma Sansad that took place for 3 days, and new sections of the FIR has also been added. Certainly the investigation is moving forward, and 5 people so far have been booked in the case. And remember, as you correctly pointed out, there were several protests in the state of Uttarakhand from a certain community, and they had highlighted as to how such speeches disturb the harmony and peace between communities, and which is why they should be booked under certain sections. And after that, Uttarakhand police has certainly taken cognizance of all those protests and the incident, and which is why now another development coming is that the formation of SIT, and none other than senior officers will be heading the SIT to ensure that the investigation is done properly, and superintendent of police level officer will be heading the 5-member SIT, and this will certainly ensure that justice will be done.
Absolutely, and that's what those who have been staging a protest are hoping for. Let's see how fast this story moves. But Sumi, thank you for getting us all those details. For the moment, moving on to more national news, but right.